Hi everyone, it's a little after 5:30 on Tuesday, and this is video number 147, and I wanted to show you a two-day intraday chart of the S&P 500 futures. This is exactly the type of day that I've been looking for, and in all of my notes, you'll see that I refer to it as a horizontal day. So here's what we have. We have yesterday's decline, and we closed. Here's 4 o'clock. We closed right around 2400 at 4 o'clock, and we were pretty close to the low of the day. Right away, we started moving higher, and this is all overnight. And here is the open. We moved up pretty nicely, came down and tried again, and then we broke to the downside here. In the Dow, if you want to relate to it, we opened up about 400 and then we were down about 250 and we came back up and rallied strongly. Actually, right here in the S&Ps back to the 2560 area. We came back down again and we hit this congestion area and turned back up. Made a slightly lower high, came down, made a slightly higher low, and basically we've been going sideways. What's important about this is the fact that for the last 5 or 6 days, as you can see here, and actually this is a 1 month chart. Let me go to 6 months to give you some perspective. We had the huge sell-off, and on none of these days did we see, well, we did up here before the severe break, but on none of these big days we either opened much higher or much lower and stayed there. We had no real solid reversals. And so this is the kind of day that we get the ability to look at things and at least have some sort of idea as to what risk is. Right now, this low is 2365, and the high today was 2554. At least it gives us some perspective on a trading range that allows us to take a position and know when we're wrong where to get out, whether it's a short position that you stop above the highs or it's a long position that you stop below the lows. At least as wide as these ranges are, at least it gives you some guidance. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have another day where we have a range that we can add on to this. Have a good evening.